Question number 5. A recipe calls for 2.5 teaspoons of vanilla. 1 teaspoon equals approximately 4.93 milliliter. Which of the following is the correct amount of vanilla in milliliter? So they have given us a clue here that 1 teaspoon, okay, will give us 4.93 milliliter. So the recipe uh, for this vanilla was actually given to us in teaspoon. That's 2.5 teaspoon. So they want us to know the equivalent amount of this 2.5 teaspoon. They want us to know it this amount in milliliter. So we don't know that, so we represent it by x milliliter. So when you look at this actually look like something that looks like a question that we have solved previously. So we can cross multiply this like I explained then. So we are doing x milliliter times 1 teaspoon. So that's like doing x times 1, okay? And then we have 2.5 times 4.93. I'm not actually putting the t because the t will actually cancel out. Let's assume that you put t here, put t here. So you divide both side by t. This t we actually want to remove. That's why I'm not putting the t. So you don't need the t. X is actually the unknown variable that you want to get. Okay, so I remove that. So if you have a calculator with you, this is very simple. You just do x times 1, that's x, equals 2.5 times 4.93. So you will get your answer directly. But let's assume that you don't have a calculator with you. I can simply do 2.5 will become 2 over 25 over 10, because 2.5 is the same thing as 25 over 10. It's just like changing decimal to fraction, times 4.93 that I have here. So let me use 5 to bring this down. 5 in 25 will give me 5. 5 in 10 will give me 2. So that's like doing 5 times 4.93 divided by 2. So we need to multiply that. So let me write it here. 4.93 times 5. Okay. 5 times 3, 15. Remainder 1. 5 times 9, 45, plus 1, 46. Remainder 4. 5 times 4, 20, plus that 4, that's 24. So that will be 24.65. So what I have here is 24.65 divided by 2. So let's divide it. 2 in 24 here will give me 12 points. 2 in 6 will give me 3. 2 in 5 will give me 2. Okay, if you continue like that, that will be 12.32, blah, blah, blah. You get your figure. But let's go and check. So always check your options so that you'll not be wasting your time. So what I actually got here is 12.32. So if you continue like that, you will get other values. So 12.32. Of course, this is not the answer. This is not the answer. This is 12.32. Okay. If you have used a calculator, definitely you'll get that. You just don't want to waste time with that. So you have 12.325 milliliter. So that's the correct answer. Hope you understand this with the analysis. Thank you. Next question.